Hi guys, today I will talk with you a product that I bought before and now it's version 2. Okay, let's go. I would like to talk about a household appliance which plays an important role in my daily life, and that is a washing machine. I and my family members use it every day to wash laundry such as clothing or sheets. Personally, I think a laundry machine is very advantageous to me due to its convenience. Instead of spending nearly an hour on cleaning clothing by hand, it takes me only 5 minutes to put all the clothing in a washing machine. Moreover, my clothes washer has a large capacity up to 10 kilos, so I can run a load of clothing through it at one time in order to save both water and time. As a result, I can save a huge amount of time in order to do other household chores, or even learn new things that I'm interested in, namely foreign languages or cooking. In addition, a washing machine can dry clothing dramatically. Therefore, I needn't to worry about wet clothing in the rainy season or winter. I think the washing machine is one of the greatest inventions of the Industrial Revolution that brings various benefits for me and other people using it. Vocabulary: household appliance, a machine that is designed to do a particular thing in the home, such as preparing food, heating or cleaning. Laundry: clothes, sheets that need washing, that are being washed or that will have been washed recently. Sheet: a light piece of thin cloth used on a bed to lie on or lie under. Laundry machine or same washing machine, same clothes washer. An electric machine for washing clothes. Thank you for watching.